If you're ever injured in an accident, you want an attorney who's a bulldog representing you in the courtroom. The experienced team of attorneys at Batta Fulkerson Law Group pride themselves in getting proven results and treating each case, each client, like family. So Dan, from the moment you walk in the door, you can see this is not your average law firm. What is the secret to your success?
We've built this place so it's not your average law firm. I don't want to be your average personal injury attorney. I know the reputation of most personal injury attorneys, and I'm trying to change that reputation in San Diego. So we've built this office from start to finish so it's different than any other law firm. The Bulldogs are everywhere. The Bulldogs are in every single meeting. Our office is all about client first. Every single client gets the cell phone for all of the attorneys in our office, and we have a 10-attorney team. So we handle cases from start to finish, whether your case is a smaller case where we can settle it pre-litigation, or whether we have to file a lawsuit and go through trial, we can handle whatever the situation is. And we handle all types of personal injury cases: car accidents, motorcycle accidents, dog bite cases, or premise liability cases. Any type of personal injury case, our office is equipped to handle, and we will make sure that our clients always come first. Communication is lacking at a lot of personal injury firms, not at our office. You can call me on a Saturday, you can call me on a Sunday, you can call me in an evening, you get my cell phone. So anytime you need anything, you call me. When a client comes in to meet with us for the first time, they meet with myself or Paul. They will always have an attorney on their case. That is not how it works at a lot of personal injury firms, and that is why we've set this place up the way we have.
Now, you specialize in a number of practice areas, but your primary focus is case results and your success rate.
Thank God we have done very well for our clients. We've recovered over $100 million for our clients. We have over 100 years of experience combined with our attorneys in our office, and we handle all types of personal injury cases. And we make sure that our client and the results that our client gets come before whatever our recovery would be. That's not how it works at most personal injury firms, and that's the difference with Batta Fulkerson.
Now let's talk auto and motorcycle accidents. Every driver in California is required to carry auto liability insurance, but so many here in San Diego are driving without insurance. How can we protect ourselves?
We are one of the #1 cities in the country for drivers driving with no insurance or minimum coverage. There's a lot of different reasons: the border, military town, but unfortunately, we see so many accidents where there's no insurance from that fault party. That is why it is so important that you have uninsured, underinsured motorist coverage on your own policy. This is something that everyone should check. Everyone should make sure that they have that coverage, because then if they get in an accident and the other party doesn't have coverage or sufficient limits, they are still covered and they're not stuck with bills.
Now there's a reason you were voted San Diego's favorite injury attorney, is you care for the community and you treat your clients like family. And speaking of family, let's talk about the kids.
We are a very community-first law firm. I sit on 6 different charity boards. I also have my own Bulldog rescue. It's called Save a Bully. All my kids are rescue dogs. They were all street dogs that were ditched, that came into my life, and now they're my kids. They come to the office every day. They meet with clients. It has changed the energy of this office by having the dogs here. When clients come in, one of the first questions they ask is, are the dogs here? Can they come into the meeting? So they come and sit in on meetings, meet with new clients, and it is one of the most rewarding parts of my life to be able to save Bulldogs in San Diego. Last year we saved 28 dogs. This year we're over 20 dogs, and unfortunately there's more and more dogs that are being ditched. And so we're always looking for good fosters, always looking for great homes. I front all the medical expenses to get them healthy, and then we just want to find amazing homes for these dogs.
Book a free consultation to discuss your case. Call 619-333-5555 today. We'll see you next time.